We are getting water from Asheville, and we are turning it into potable water through a process that you're about to see. Bag filter removes all the sediment. This picks out the biggest pieces of sediment in the water. So if there's any like sand, silt, it'll get caught up in this bag first. The water comes through and gets basically processed with activated carbonate. It eats up the remaining chlorine. It gets rid of smell, taste, color. Basically the first line of removing and treating just water. These have layers and layers and layers of different aggregates, getting from big to smaller to extremely fine. That grabs as much as it can as the water passes through. So anything like metals, this starts to strip out. We added another bag filter. Why? In case any of the particulates that come from the activated carbon or the multimedia filter come through, they get caught. This thing can pull dissolved salts out of the water, remove bacteria, viruses. It basically makes distilled water. You have clean water. What do? You retreat it again, and we fill up these tanks. These tanks, we have about 20,000 gallons of capacity. So if you want to flush your toilets all at the same time, we got you. And after that, it gets repressurized, sent back to the system.